is it the future of women's health? Women in California can now give themselves a cervical cancer screening in the comfort of their own home, and it's just as accurate as going to the doctor. Two San Francisco-based companies have made that a reality, rolling out the first kits last week. NBC BAYAREA's Gia Vang explains how it works.
Prototype after prototype to finally land here, the Teal Wand.
So what we've done is we created the first FDA-approved at-home cervical cancer screening that's comfortable, convenient, and just as accurate as the doctor.
Cervical cancer rates are rising in women ages 30 to 44, and a quarter of U.S. women are overdue for screenings for the preventable cancer. There are a myriad of reasons, but among them, the inconvenience and uncomfortability of the screening using a tool like a metal or plastic speculum.
So when we think about that, we're like, if you just created a better way, back to like, why are women not getting it done? They want to get it done. They just need a better option.
The San Francisco-based company partnered with IDEO, a design company in the city tasked with a mission.
So we're going to take something that is complex, uncomfortable, and make it simple and accessible for women to do at home in their own terms.
Going from one prototype,
this one in particular is a ballpoint pen,
to another.
We now have a device that can deploy a sponge, but then add this rolling action.
This was the result after 3 years, including the box that gets mailed to you.
So what you do is you extend the sponge and then you just rotate it 10 times.
Pop off the sponge and send it to the lab to run the same test used in your doctor's office.
This type of self-testing or self-screening actually has been in use for over 10 to 15 years in other countries. We are just now catching up, and there's probably a lot of different reasons why that's the case. I mean, I think to be frank, some of it probably has to do with the fact that we do not have a nationalized healthcare system, as opposed to other countries.
Social media comments on the news is mixed. Some women calling this life-changing, but others saying, I wouldn't trust myself to get a proper sample, or saying this is another shortcut for women's health. While not responding directly to the social media comments, Dr. Betty Subbergman said numerous studies have shown this way of screening is just as accurate, which is why the Food and Drug Administration also approved last year the ability for patients to self-collect in a healthcare setting. In fact, a pilot program is underway at some Kaiser hospitals doing just that.
Many people do have concerns where an exam is needed. And so, for those people, it certainly makes sense for them to, come into the office. This ability to screen yourself, to test yourself, really has the potential to expand screening and, get people to participate in screening who otherwise wouldn't, and through that actually save lives.
Back at IDEO's headquarters, Egan says 35,000 are on their wait list as it rolls out in California for now, with the rest of the country to come. The Teal Wand will cost you $99 with in-network insurance and about $250 with a credit card or a health savings or flexible spending account. In San Francisco, Gia Vang, NBC Bay Area News.
All right, thank you very much, Gia.